Ready to transform your driving experience with CarPlay? Let's set it up and customize it step by step. First up, grab your iPhone and connect it to your car using a USB cable or a wireless adapter. Make sure CarPlay is enabled in your settings. You'll find this in Settings, then General, and finally CarPlay. Now here's where the fun begins: customizing your interface. Drag and drop your favorite apps for easy access. Navigation, music, messages, whatever you use the most. Just tap and hold an app icon to rearrange. But that's not all. CarPlay has some cool features I bet you didn't know about. Voice commands with Siri are an absolute game changer. Just say, "Hey Siri, take me to the nearest coffee shop," and boom, you're on your way. You can also enjoy split-screen views, so you can follow your map while checking out your music playlist at the same time. And don't forget the third-party apps. Waze and Google Maps for navigation, Spotify and Audible for entertainment. The options are endless. For even more functionality, consider pairing your setup with an advanced adapter like the CarLinkit T-Box. This little gadget lets you stream YouTube and Netflix right on your CarPlay interface. Imagine watching your favorite shows during a long road trip. Just remember, safety first. Only use these features when parked. And there you have it. You're ready to hit the road with a fully customized CarPlay setup. What feature are you excited to try first? Share your thoughts in the comments below and don't forget to subscribe for more tips. Happy driving!